So, I don't know if you can hear this. I was actually gonna come here to try and do some drone flying. I thought it would be really pretty, but the winds are massive. Like, I'm having a hard time just staying still. So I'm not gonna fly.
Hey, well, I was gonna eat outside, but it is just way too cold. It's about 4 or 5 degrees Celsius out there. It's beautiful. It's a wonderful, beautiful day, but just cold. And there's no way I was gonna be able to eat breakfast out there. So you can see what I cooked: bacon, pancakes. This is my last day here. I've learned a lot about my filming style. I've learned about a lot about what I'm gonna do. I had lots of great ideas when I'm out here, which has been awesome. But all good things must come to an end eventually. This is my last breakfast. I might take another walk depending on if it warms up at least a little bit. And then it's time to pack and get out of here. So there we go. Time for my yum yums.
After breakfast, I thought about going for a walk, but the chill never let up. I'd also had plans to get some drone practice in on the drive home, but the winds had other ideas, and what started as a fairly stiff breeze would end up shaping the rest of my day more than I expected. Driving away from the tiny house, I really had mixed feelings. I wasn't quite sure yet what I'd got out of the experience, and if it was really the reset I needed or just a quiet 2 days away. But with a bit of time left before heading home, I set course for Pigeon Lake, hoping to end the trip with some beautiful shots. Of course, the wind had other plans.
So, I don't know if you can hear this. I was actually gonna come here to try and do some drone flying. I thought it would be really pretty, but the winds are massive. Like, I'm having a hard time just staying still. So I'm not gonna fly. Like, there's no way. The drone would be gone. I'd probably never have a chance of catching it. Maybe as I drive back to maybe as I drive back to Airdrie, the winds will drive down and I'll find a better place. But right now, no way it's gonna happen. Absolutely not. And yeah, that is ice right behind me.
Well, there's more than one lake in Alberta, so maybe if I try another lake, I'll have some better luck. This time, Gull Lake.
Different beach. I really wanted to get flying, but maybe it's not gonna happen today. I believe this is Gull Lake. So I was at Pigeon Lake. This is another bird lake, Gull Lake. And I was gonna try and get it out here. Still pretty windy. Feels like it's still gusting 25 to 35. And I just don't want to take chances with the drone today. So it's another scrub for this launch.
After striking out at a second lake thanks to those relentless winds, I'll admit, I was feeling a little defeated. But the road home always includes one last stop, Gasoline Alley just outside of Red Deer. It's a bit of a tradition for me.
For now, I've given up on trying to find a place to fly, but coming through Red Deer, passing through Gasoline Alley, one thing that I used to do all the time, and I haven't done it in years, is stop at Glenn's Family Restaurant. This place has been here
pretty well since the dawn of time. And let's go and eat. I'm gonna give you a review, because you know what? Why not? That's the way this today is going. We'll give you a review of Glenn's Family Restaurant.
Final stop of the trip, Glenn's Family Restaurant in Gasoline Alley. It has been a fixture here since 1986, founded by Glenn and Jesse Simon. Known mostly for its massive tea selection of over 240 options. It used to be a regular stop for me years ago, but it's been a while, so I figured why not drop in and see what's changed.
So, country fried chicken's not something that I've done, but since I'm kind of out in the country, why not? And apparently they do it with pierogies, so that's going to be an interesting twist with the garlic toast and all that kind of stuff. So, like I said, I haven't been here in years. Probably, I don't think I've been here since any of my younger two kids have been around. No, that's not true. But it's at least been for 3 or 4 years since I've been here. But definitely got that old time charm. So yeah, let's see if they live up to expectations and to memories.
Glenn's isn't fast food, and they don't pretend to be. I ordered the country chicken with pierogies and steamed veggies. And then I waited. Let's just say this place gives you plenty of time to admire the decor.
Anything else?
For now, this is perfect.
That's good. Enjoy your meal.
All right, let's dig into this plate. And this is a plate.
Here we are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Well, I guess we're here for the country chicken, so we better try out the country chicken. There's lots of gravy underneath. So the top's crispy, but obviously the bottom is not going to be so crispy. It is stupid hot. First impression, not a lot of seasoning on this. Not from the gravy, not from the chicken. The chicken is tender and juicy. That's great. But not a lot of seasoning. I'm just gonna put some salt and pepper on it. Oops, a lot of salt and pepper on it and see if we get at least a little something out of it. It is, not gonna lie, fairly bland. The vegetables kind of already look like they came out of a bag of kind of frozen. That's usually what happens when you get all the broccoli flecks and all that kind of stuff, but I could be surprised. There is a bit of flavor to them, so I mean, I'm not going to write home to mom about it, but it's actually not too bad. Let's try the pierogies. Let's just give everything an initial try. So, lots of bacon, lots of onions on it. We'll try this guy here. Let's give the pierogies a try. Not gonna lie, right now I would call the pierogies the highlight of the meal. They are fried quite lightly and good, obviously with a little bit of sour cream, bacon, onions, put that all together. The filling is good and creamy, and yeah,
It honestly, it's better than the chicken. If I could have a plate of these pierogies, I would probably be happy.
So yeah, the pierogies were the real MVPs of that meal. But since I've got a real weakness for anything sweet, I figured I'd see if dessert could redeem things. So to me, that means ordering an apple crumble. And then, once again, the wait.
We have spoon in there.
Awesome.
Okay,
Thank you
enjoy.
so much.
You're welcome.
This is bigger than I expected. Take a look at that. I am going to be eating this forever. Let's dig in. I'm used to a little more firmer crisp. You can see the ice cream is kind of sinking into it. Tasted good. Tart sour apples mixed with the sweet crumble and the sugar. Tastes good. Well, it was okay. Not writing home to mom about it, mostly because my mom is just 800 kilometers that way in Calgary. Not gonna call her about it either, or text her about it. She would have told me not to waste the money on coming anyway, and I should have just packed some extra food. And in this case, she might have actually been right. Well, that meal's gonna cost me about $40. I did splurge a little bit, but what can you say? But I don't know. Maybe if a few of you guys subscribe, then it was worth the splurge. But it wasn't worth the splurge just for the food itself. I could have easily have eaten at an A&W, or I could have easily eaten at an A&W or gone over to Peace Drive-In and probably been far more happy with what I was eating, unfortunately.
I left Glenn's feeling, well, a little disappointed. It used to be a regular stop for me on the drive between Calgary and Edmonton, but either it's changed or I have. With the highway rolling out in front of me, I couldn't help but think about this whole trip. It wasn't flashy, it didn't go viral, that I know of, but it mattered. To me. I came out to push myself as a solo traveler, a filmmaker, and a dad trying to build something that lasts. Some things worked, some didn't, but every step moved my mission forward. And now, it's time for the next chapter, Jamaica. The whole crew's gonna be there. We're gonna have bigger stories, bigger challenges, and hopefully a bigger breakthrough. So if you've been here from the start, thank you. And if you're just joining, now's the time to hit subscribe, because the road ahead is about to get a lot more interesting.